Decreases are used to narrow your piece and are very useful when shaping armholes and necklines for your garments. A decrease consists in working 2 close stitches together and can be worked in any type of stitch: single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. In this example, we show you how to decrease in double crochet. Start to work a double crochet in the first stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through the stitch. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops on your hook. You will have 2 loops left on your hook. Leave this stitch unfinished with the 2 loops on the hook and start working the next stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and draw the yarn through the stitch. You will now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops on your hook. Now you will have 3 loops on your hook. To finish the decrease, yarn over again and draw the yarn through all of the loops left on your hook. In this way, the 2 stitches are close together. You can make a decrease like this in any stitch by leaving the first stitch unfinished in the last step and closing the 2 stitches together at the end.